Birds having different sizes and colors. Let us have a look at some special features of birds. They are active and lively creatures. They have hollow bones, which makes their body light. They have beaks for picking and biting their food. It also helps them in building their nests. They have wings made of feathers, which help them to fly. In this video, we will study about different types of birds. Migratory birds. These are the birds that travel from one place to another at regular intervals, often over long distances. Reasons for their migration can be in search of suitable breeding sites, in search of food and water, to escape bad weather, to avoid environmental threats. Siberian crane, painted stork, flamingo, Swainson's thrush, barnacle goose, bar-tailed godwit and Arctic tern are few examples of migratory birds. Birds of prey. These are the birds that hunt and feed on animals and also on the birds that eat very small insects. These birds have good eyesight for finding food. They have strong feet for holding food. They have strong curved beak for tearing flesh. Eagles, kites, hawks, falcons, owls are few examples of birds of prey. Extinct birds. These are the birds that are no longer living, either in the world or in a particular place. Their reasons for extinction can be destruction of their natural habitat, competition from other species, illegal and unregulated hunting of these birds, constantly changing environment. New Zealand quail, passenger pigeon, laughing owl, Mauritian dodo are few examples of extinct birds. Aquatic birds. These are the birds which live on or around water. They are also called water birds. Flamingo, sooty tern, loon are few examples of aquatic birds. Flightless birds. These birds lack the ability to fly. They rely on their ability to run or swim. Penguins, ostrich, emu, kiwis are a few examples of flightless birds. Ostrich is an amazing bird. Let us have a look at some interesting facts about ostrich. An ostrich can live up to 75 years. Ostrich eye is almost 2 inches large, largest eye of any animal on land. Ostrich is the tallest and the heaviest of all birds. Tropical birds. These are some of the most beautiful birds of the world. Red macaws, keel-billed toucan, blue budgie, peacock are few examples of tropical birds. Now, let us solve some assessment questions. Match the following.
That's it for today, children. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed. Complete the assignment that has been given to you. Stay positive, stay healthy. Thank you.